Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can edit the dimensions of some of the objects that we have in the software. Okay, so the idea is to add points, for example, to the pipeline, to the Poligone object, and then we can create our own objects. So let's go to the software. So this is a new project. Let's go to the screen design, screen 1. Okay, tool chest, and here I have all the different objects. Now I'm going to drag and drop the pipe. I'm going to drag and drop the polyline and the polygon. This object has the possibility to play with them in a different way. So if you click on the object and then click again, you should be able to see this pen that allows you to play around with the dimensions of the object, like that. Okay, if you click in a different area, it will create a point. Okay, then you can do whatever you want. The same apply to the line. Okay, like that you can create different points, okay, which is good. And the same for the polygon. If you click again, then you can play around with this one and do whatever you want. I'm going to create another line here, and that's it. Now, how you can delete the point? Well, you just need to press Ctrl and touch the point. Okay, Control, touch the point, and there we go. Okay, the same apply with this one. And the same with this. Delete. There we go. Okay, so this is how you can play with this kind of objects with the polyline, polygon, and the pipe. So you can modify their dimensions, play around with them, and create your own figures with this. Okay, so you can see it's very easy. You just need to know how to do it. Just click on the object, click again until you see the pen, and then you can add a point. And if you want to delete one of those points, just press Ctrl and then click on the point. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.